Have you ever imagined seeing XRP break through the $1,000 barrier? Well, today we're going to be diving into one of the boldest predictions in the crypto world, a claim that Ripple's XRP could skyrocket to 4 digits. All right, let's get into this, right? So did you know that one prominent crypto expert believes that XRP could one day be worth between $100 and $1,000? Yes? You heard that right. We're talking about Matthew, the COO of Crypto Charged, and he isn't just throwing numbers around. He's a seasoned expert who believes who's literally been actively involved in the crypto scene for years. Now, Matthew has revealed that XRP makes up about 50% of his personal portfolio. Imagine that, right? He's been accumulating XRP for around 5 years, buying it at what many investors would consider rock bottom prices, right? Now, interestingly, his strategy is kind of twofold. He plans to take profits on a significant portion in the short term while holding on to a part of his XRP for the long haul. Think a 5 to 10 year kind of investment horizon. Now, if you're sitting there wondering how realistic this prediction is, consider this. Matthew's argument is based on both technical analysis and the inherent utility of XRP. From a technical standpoint, he believes that the mechanics of the market would very well drive XRP to these lofty heights over time. There's at least that's a kind of staggering growth potential. To take it from just $2 to potentially $100 or even $1,000, right? So let's kind of put this into perspective with some numbers, because right now XRP is priced at approximately $2.40 at the point of recording, with a market cap of around $139 billion. For XRP to hit the $100 mark, its market cap would need to expand to about $5.7 trillion. And if it reaches $1,000, well, we're talking about a market cap that could soar as high as 57 trillion, right? Yes, that's an astronomical jump, roughly 41,390%, at least from its current state. So what do you think? Is this a realistic forecast, or is it just wild speculation? You can drop your thoughts in the comments down below. Just be aware of all the scammers that are operating down there. You might be better placed to actually join us in our free Discord that's linked in the description down below, and we can have more meaningful conversations there. Now, before we move on, remember that these predictions are based on current market trends and, of course, technical analysis. While they offer a tantalizing glimpse into what might be possible, the crypto market is famously volatile, and nothing is ever set in stone. Have you ever imagined sending money across the globe in just a few seconds and at a fraction of a cent? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But that's exactly what Matthew sees happening with XRP. One of the core pillars of Matthew's long-term prediction is XRP's utility in remittance services. In simple terms, XRP could make international money transfers faster and far cheaper than traditional banking methods. Let's think about this, right? Transferring money internationally usually comes with high fees and delays. With XRP, you're looking at transaction times of roughly 5 seconds and fees that are almost negligible. As more companies and financial institutions start to adopt blockchain-based remittance solutions, XRP could very well position itself as the go-to asset for these transactions. Now, let's dive a little bit deeper here. Imagine a future where sending money to family overseas is as easy as sending a text message. XRP's ability to process transactions swiftly, pun intended, could transform the global remittance market, now making it more inclusive and well efficient. This isn't just a technological upgrade either. It could be a financial revolution that changes how billions of people send and receive money. Moreover, this transformative potential is not just based on speculation. Financial experts point to historical trends in technological adoption. Think about how mobile banking and digital wallets have changed the landscape over the past decade. As adoption increases, so does trust in technology, which in turn can drive value. So, could XRP be the catalyst for a remittance revolution? If banks and remittance services start leveraging XRP for its cost and time efficiencies, well, the demand for XRP could surge dramatically. And that's where the potential for its price to skyrocket really comes into play. So it's also important to note here that while Matthew sees a 10-year window for his long-term outlook, market dynamics could accelerate or slow down those processes. Now, factors such as regulatory changes, broader crypto adoption, and technological breakthroughs can influence the timeline. This uncertainty adds both excitement and risk to the equation, something that every investor should keep in mind. Now, are you excited about the possibility of XRP revolutionizing global remittances, or do you think the challenges might hold it back? You can let me know in the comments or in the Discord server. All right, let's shift gears for a moment here. How does XRP stack up against the crypto heavyweights, Bitcoin and Ethereum? This is a question that comes up a lot actually, and today we're going to be breaking it down. Bitcoin is widely known as the original cryptocurrency. From an all-time low of just 4.8 cents about 15 years ago, Bitcoin has experienced an astronomical increase of over 196 million%. That's kind of growth is, well, just almost unheard of, right? Then you've got Ethereum, which started off with a floor price most recently, in the recent years anyway, around $2,600, and has gained, or at least recorded gains of over 619,000% from its all-time lows. So this dramatic leap highlights the massive potential for digital assets when the market conditions align. Now, while XRP's historical performance, an increase of roughly 85,773% from its all-time low, may not look like explosive or look as explosive on paper compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum, there's a critical point here. The growth potential is not just about past performance, but it's about the ability, or at least the kind of ability to change I guess the industries that they're operating in, the future utility, and of course the adoption. So why might XRP have a similar or even greater potential upside compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum? And well, the answer lies in its practical use case. While Bitcoin is often seen as digital gold and Ethereum is the backbone of decentralized applications and smart contracts, XRP is carving out its own niche by addressing real-world financial challenges, specifically global remittances. Now, Matthew argues that if XRP can achieve mainstream adoption in the remittance services, well, its value proposition would expand far beyond speculative trading. Imagine the impact. Millions of daily transactions, increased utility, and a network effect that could propel its market cap into trillions. This isn't just about comparing raw percentages, it's about understanding the transformative power of the technology that can reshape global finance. Furthermore, historical trends show that when an asset finds a strong real-world application, its price often follows suit. Bitcoin and Ethereum both benefited from being pioneers in their retrospective kind of niches, right? And XRP's challenge is to replicate that success by providing, or at least proving that its technology can solve a tangible problem in the financial world. So, do you think XRP's practical approach could give it an edge over Bitcoin and Ethereum in the coming years? You can share your thoughts in the comments below or in the Discord server. Now, while we're on the topic, it's probably worth kind of more mentioning how many crypto enthusiasts see XRP's potential as a complement rather than a competitor to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Each cryptocurrency serves a unique purpose, and together they create a robust ecosystem. As the cryptocurrency market evolves, the interplay between these assets will be fascinating to watch and could offer diverse opportunities for investors. Now, no discussion about cryptocurrency is complete without considering the range of opinions that are out there. While Matthew's bullish outlook for XRP is certainly exciting, it's not every expert that sees the picture as rosy, right? But let's kick things off with those optimistic views. Many financial commentators in the XRP community share Matthew's optimism, right? Some even suggest that we could see $100 price point as early as this year, fueling hopes of a rapid upward movement. These enthusiasts point to XRP's technological advantages and its growing role in remittance services as key drivers that could unlock exponential growth. But there are, of course, some cautious perspectives. On the flip side, some analysts, like those from Telegon, for example, warn that even over a 25-year horizon, XRP might not reach $500. They argue that while the technology and use case are promising, regulatory challenges, market saturation, and broader economic factors could significantly temper its growth trajectory. Now, this divergence of opinions isn't uncommon in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. It's a reminder that while bold predictions can be enticing, the market is full of uncertainties. The interplay between optimism and caution provides a balanced view that every investor should consider before diving in. So, where do you stand? Are you leaning towards the optimistic forecasts that envision a future where XRP commands a multi-trillion-dollar market cap, or do you think the more conservative estimates might prove at least more accurate? Your perspective does matter, so let us know your thoughts in the comments section down below or in the free Discord server linked in the description. Now, in this dynamic market, staying informed and keeping a close eye on multiple points of view is key. Always conduct your own research before making any investment decisions. The beauty and the risk of the crypto world lies in the unpredictability. So what's the final takeaway? Well, the cryptocurrency market remains as dynamic and as unpredictable as ever. While the potential for XRP is certainly there, fueled by its innovative use case and growing adoption, it's essential to approach these predictions with both excitement and caution. Now, if you found this update useful and informative, make sure to hit that like button. The more likes there are on the video, the further that the YouTube algorithm will push this to more like-minded individuals. So if you want to spread the word about the potential for XRP to reach $1,000, let's get those likes up. And if you want to stay up to date with everything from the news to the technical analysis, not just on XRP, but maybe on a whole host of other altcoins, then you're going to want to subscribe to the channel. You can do that by clicking the subscribe button just below. And more importantly, what about $500 XRP? It's come up a lot recently, so we asked artificial intelligence what it thought, and well, it has some very interesting things to say. You can check out its responses right here in this video.